Hey guys, I'm back, and yeah, it's still wet. It's only been about, 10 minutes, and sad news, I was showing you the wet results, and sure enough, bad hand trimmer, and boom, phone flipped right out of my hand and into the paint. So now I've got what looks like a balloon roll. I'm not sure if I should add a few more or leave it as is, but yeah, I'm going to play around with it a little more. I'm going to try and clean out my case, and because yeah, I've been washing the case, but that Montana gold spray paint, man, it sticks like a mother. So yeah, we'll come back in a little bit and see what I've done, if I've done anything, or what happened, or if we just call this a fail because I'm just having one of those miserable days. Show must go on. I don't remember who sings that one, but here we go. Got the camera all cleaned off, all dried off, so shh, don't tell my Sparky. Don't tell him I landed it in the paint, or he's never going to let me use the new iPad, or not iPad, it's a tablet. A new Galaxy tablet I just got. And I want to play with it so much. But if he finds out that I can't keep my phone out of the paint, yeah, he's never gonna let me. Never gonna let me film with that that tablet. Oh shoot. Okay. I still got all that there. I'm so trying to rescue this. I loved it so much. I love the splatters and everything that happened on it. I'm beside myself with pain right now over this, because that's how much I loved it. And I didn't want to spend this much paint on one little, like, 12 by 12 canvas, or whatever the size it is. Yeah, that stuff dries just like foil on top of there. I bet I could take a little piece of something and pull it up just like a piece of dried film, or like a dead leaf fell on the painting. So there's no tipping this now either. Yeah, I'll show you. I will show you, because that's what experimenting's all about, and that's what you're watching for, so you can see the reactions of the stuff. See that? Check that out. It's like a dried plastic film. Good to know. So balloon rolling it won't help either, because then I'll just have all these copper chunks. But it's a good experiment, because I would have never known about this if I hadn't done it, and if I hadn't ruined it. Zap, I went to drop the camera in there, I went to put the ribbons in and started blowing and seeing this stuff lift up. And paint kind of blowing under it. That was weird. Okay. Live and learn. Do I put this up as a video? I think I'm going to. Just so you know what to expect and safety precautions you should take with this stuff, because you saw how it bubbled and how it melted cups. And yeah, so yeah, I think I'm still going to put this video up, but it's not really a fail because I learned so much from it. So if you're learning something, no, I don't have a presentable piece of art, but I have learned some valuable lessons. And so that's awesome. That's a win. That's a win-win-win. Oh, yeah. Be safe. Always want you to be safe. I don't want any harm to come to you guys. Oh, look at those pretty colors underneath. Yeah, so this is going to be a scrape. And then we'll repurpose this canvas. Okay? Hey guys. I'm back. And this is all the runoff from that failed experiment with the Montana copper. And I can't use it because there are chunky little filmy pieces of that are in the runoff. And so I'm trying to scoop this all up and strain all of it to get it out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to spread it and make a skin out of it. And I thought I would show you how real quick. And I'm going to do some lacing skin, because there's really not much pretty about this right now. The colors are pretty, but there's nothing all that interesting. So I've got my Amsterdam Standard Series Black Oxide, or Oxide Black, however you want to get it. I'm just putting a little bit in there. I'd say maybe that is 2 teaspoons. And this is my pouring medium, same as always. This was all mixed 2 to 1, so I'm going to mix this 3 to 1. So about 1, 2, 3, big 3, a big 3. There we go. It's Amsterdam. It's got a lot of pigmentation in it, so that's good. Oh, am I still on camera? Okay, good. So we're going to mix that up. And hopefully, depending upon the kind of day I'm having so far today, oh man, hopefully I will get some lacing that resembles the bloom technique, kind of lacing cells, whatever it's called. I call it lacing, other people call it cells. And that will make some really pretty jewelry, make some pretty skins. And it's on freezer paper, and the acrylic paint just peels right up nicely off of the shiny side up. And yeah, your acrylic paint should peel right up off of it. And it is freezer or butcher paper, however you want to, whatever you want to name it. It's not parchment paper. This is not stuff you stick in the oven. Okay, so I got that. Lay it down. I need, there we go, a little something to put my paint on. There we go, just put a little bit of that on there. And then my piece of cardboard. It is just an old piece of a 12-pack of soda, that cardboard. And I kind of curve mine a little bit. It gives me a better angle. It's just how I like them. You don't have to do that if it doesn't work for you. If plastic works for you better, awesome. If playing cards work for you better, cool. Some people use credit cards. Old credit cards or shopper cards. Yeah, I use old cardboard. So I'm just going to dip this in here like that. Get it all across. And I'd say maybe about 1/2 inch. Good 1/2 inch on there. You can kind of feel the weight of it on your cardboard. And then I'm just going to take it and swipe across. And there they go. And then wipe it clean each time. Wipe off the excess that was on there. And then go back in and get some more. But yeah, that way, since I can't reuse this paint unless I go through all the trouble of scooping and straining, this way it's not all going to waste. Because paint's expensive, let's face it. I'm not a rich person. I don't have money to just be throwing away on different paints and everything. So try and get some use out of it. Try and get some value out of it. Now I have tried this with the Artist Loft Black, and it has always been hit or miss for me with the Artist Loft Black as far as the lacing. So, see that? You want to wipe that off. So yeah, with the Artist Loft Black, it's hit and miss, but with the Amsterdam Oxide Black, I always have gotten great results. And the only thing different I do with this than I do my regular paints is I put a little bit more pouring medium in it. That's all. Just a little extra pouring medium. And it works out great. God, those are pretty. So yeah, and I have a Skins jewelry tutorial too, where I show you exactly what to do after this dries and how to peel it up off of here and then glue on your cabochons and then set them in the trays. So if you want to look for that, I can't remember exactly what number video that is, but I will have that up here. Look right up here in this corner right here where the little eye is. See that little white circle with the little black eye in it? Okay? You click on that, you'll get different playlists and suggested videos that I've added in. And then right down in this corner, if you're on your camera or on your phone, most phones, if you're on your phone, an Android phone, most of the descriptions are right down here in this little corner, and it's a little tiny black triangle pointing down. You just tap on that and it'll bring down the description, and you get to read about all the different things, see all the different links, all that kind of fun. Okay. Yeah. So this way this stuff isn't going to waste, and it kind of looks like abalone. It's really pretty. So I'm going to play around with this a little more, let it dry, and I am not going to take you off of the phone clip because I don't want to drop my phone back in the paint right now. So I will just kind of tip my tripod a little and try to zoom you in with my camera itself. There we go. You see that? Isn't that pretty? And then once it's dry and I put cabochons on top of that, that'll be really pretty. Okay, till next time. Loves and hugs, y'all. Bye.